A police officer and his horse. A woman and her dog. A girl and a horse. A man and a dog. They are reading their newspapers. They are eating their apples. They are reading their book. They are reading their newspaper. They are eating their sandwich. They are eating their sandwiches.
A family. A woman and her daughter. A man and his son.
A family. A girl and her mother. A boy and his father.
A girl and her parents. A woman and her husband. Two girls and their parents. A baby.
A woman and her children. A father and his daughter. Parents and their sons. A man and his wife.
The mother and her daughters are playing. The boy and his dog are playing. The woman and her cat are playing. The father and his sons are playing. Who is playing? Who is drinking? Who is sleeping? Who is eating?
These are my parents. These are my sisters. This is my sister. This is my mother.
Her bicycle is small. Their bicycle is green.
Our bicycle is black.
My bicycle is blue.
His bicycle is big. We have 4 daughters.
We have 2 sons.
We have 1 son and 3 daughters.
8 eggs. 9 apples. 7 babies. 7 pens. 9 hats. 8 chairs.
12 balls. 11 flowers. 12 keys. 10 cups. 10 plates. 11 bowls.
9. 7. 7. 12. 8. 0. 6. 10, 11,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 8, 10, 12. 3, 2, 1, 0. 11, 0, 9, 5.